What if we told you that generally, to enjoy the nutritional benefits of one orange 15 years ago, you would have to consume 5 oranges now? Consider the US Department of Agriculture food table study in 2001 for corn, and similarly for spinach. Do you know why this is happening? This is why. But what if we told you that we have discovered the secret to preserve all the nutrients from natural live foods that your body needs? We call this life enzyme. An enzyme is a biocatalyst that drives our body's metabolic processes, the building force of the body essential for a variety of functions to work. Because without enzymes, no chemical reaction can occur in the body. Our body produces its own enzymes, but this deteriorates as we age. That's why we need enzymes. So the higher the enzyme level in your food, the faster your body can rebuild itself. Only the most ideal conditions can produce truly enzyme-rich plants. We have the technology, the resources to do this at CNI Life Enzyme Center, Taiwan. Led by Dr. Chow Chi-Fa, Department of Food Science and Biotechnology of the National Chung Sing University of Taiwan.
Daily consumption of well-treated life enzyme can help lower total cholesterol level, relieve constipation, and alleviate inflammatory responses.
We are at the heart of biotech R&D. First, let us see how the grains are selected. Every batch of grains is assessed for traces of residual pesticides, heavy metals, and alpha toxins. They are then washed, rinsed, and drained to remove debris. Then they are hand-sorted, alienating defective kernels and foreign materials, and impurities to pass through easily. Next, the rehydration and soaking process to activate the MENEP process and significantly increase enzymes and nutrients. After cleaning and soaking, the clean and dried kernels are transferred to a cultivation bed and leveled to a specific thickness to prepare for the MENEP activation process. Clean water supply, close monitoring in a controlled environment. MENEP is activated and terminated once enzyme metabolic level has been achieved. Stringent quality control methods are applied over a specified time frame. Furthermore, a cultivation chamber fosters ideal conditions for the kernels to achieve a desirable output. MENEP significantly increased the enzyme activity of corn by 656% after 3 days. Wheat grain cultivated for 24 hours demonstrated the highest hydrolytic enzyme activity by 200% compared to untreated wheat grains. Brown rice cultivated for 48 hours shows the highest hydrolytic activity by a whopping 500% compared to untreated brown rice. Once the MENEP-treated grains or kernels are removed from the cultivation bed, they will be ensured microbe and byproduct free in a decontamination process, and then transferred to a drying tray for weighing and even layering. Next, the drying carts are moved into a walk-in low-temperature dryer and constantly monitored to ensure optimum enzyme and MENEP retention before proceeding to the next stage. After all tests are conducted to ensure MENEP has been satisfactorily retained, the dried product will be transferred to a storage container after cooling down to room temperature and later processed into fine powder. Finally, it's QC testing and sampling to ensure only the best quality assurance. Products are sealed and quarantined to adhere to high hygiene standards. Only QC-approved products will be tagged and stored at a semi-finished zone. When we compare how our elders lived some 50 years ago, they ate less, but they lived more. Illnesses like cancer was rare, unlike now, even when food is now readily available everywhere. We now eat more, but live less, and fall ill more even with the best medical technology and healthcare. The problem lies in our diet. Raw nuts and seeds have life force inside them. They are alive, rich with live enzymes and many other nutrients. Just one live seed can quickly grow into a plant and proliferate into acres and acres of living plants because of its life force. And this same life force is emulated and hygienically packed for you as life enzyme, which can be consumed by itself or for the preparation of your daily meals, for your children, your family, and everyone to enjoy. Life Enzyme promotes optimum intestinal health, is easily digested and circulated inside your body quickly. Choose to eat and live wisely. Choose life. Choose the living food.